Vice President of Global Sales for Linear Acoustic. Chris, how are things with Linear Acoustic?
Oh, very well. We're moving in the direction of IP processing, as everybody else is, but we're also still maintaining our presence with the other loudness processors, audio processors. We have recently merged with Minnetonka on the software product side, but the company was founded in 1997 by Tim Carroll, who was one of the developers for Dolby, very much involved with Dolby E. Since then, we've introduced our own range of products for audio loudness processing. In the States, that was very large because of the CABSAT, which made it very mandatory. And now across the world, we are seeing the need for the audio processing in all regions. Some places being mandatory again, with places like Korea. In India are looking at it very strongly, and Latin America, because of the international transmission of material across the world. There's a requirement that material is processed at the point of sending transmission sometimes before it's received. So the range of products we have deal with everything from a lower cost with just 5.1 plus 2 stereo or multi-stereo, all the way through to Dolby encoding, Dolby decoding, Nielsen encoding. The products cover a multiple range. We've recently been selling the AeroSoft product, which is loudness processing over IP, which gives you multi-channel loudness processing through a server, which again, this is the way that the market's moving with the software capabilities. Everything is controlled through a GUI on the products, where you can configure, monitor, and do all types of setups through the GUI, this is called NF Remote, which is used on a lot of the Telos products. Linear Acoustic, Minnetonka are a part of the Telos Alliance. Telos primarily more radio, we are more TV broadcast.
So with Minnetonka on board now, what other services are you now being able to provide?
Well, the software side, Minnetonka is primarily software modules dealing with the post end of the product, where we deal with the real time. Linear deal with the real time. It's coming together in the middle, software and the hardware situation. Other products we've recently introduced are the MT2000. Dolby had a unit at one time called the DM100, which is a bitrate analyzer for Dolby. This is an improvement on that, giving a lot more capabilities for bitrate analyzing, loudness monitoring, configuration of the products, and checking of your signals as you a maintenance person, a systems integrator, anybody within a facility that needs to check what the audio signal is at any point in time at a bitrate capability.
And traditionally, who are your customers?
Our customers, TV networks, cable companies, satellite companies, anybody needing audio processing, loudness processing, loudness correction before it goes to air. We deal with truck companies for entertainment. It's across the board, any TV broadcast across the board. We obviously sell through two systems integrators or installing new projects. We sell to the whole range. We work very closely with networks and users, sometimes customizing to meet their requirements, because that's the way the world's gone. Nobody wants quite the same product. We have a lot of standard products, but we also do customization if and when required. Large companies in US and UK, Discovery in UK use a lot of linear acoustic product, both on the hardware and software side. We also have networks in the US, the NBCs, ESPNs, those type of companies.
And what can we expect from Linear Acoustic in the future?
In the future, we'll be moving more and more to the software area, more introductions, audio over IP is going to be huge. Audio processing over IP is going to be vitally necessary in our new modern world. So we are looking in that area to see the growth and change within the TV broadcast. We're going through another transitional period, and we've gone from analog to SDI to HD. We tried 3D for a while, that fell off the map, and now we're going through into an area of IP, and IP 4K is the buzzwords.
Absolutely. And what challenges do you think that's going to? Are you going to face the linear acoustic with that?
Well, with IP, there's still a lot of learning to do from the end user's point of view, a lot of determining what they require, and it's listening to the end user, listening to the customer, adapting our product, our software to meet their requirements. It's, we cannot be in isolation, and we've always, linear acoustic, have always been known to listen to the customer and work on the customer's requirements, because you cannot work in isolation. It's necessary.